Data privacy is a basic human right. If you agree with that, then this video is likely for you. At Nomadesk, because at Nomadesk that's our mission. We build technology for controlled data storage in the cloud, hyperscalable, secure, robust technology that you can install on your premises, offering a privatized cloud file sharing solutions to your customers. My name is Peter Geldhoff. I am a founder of Nomadesk. I'm an investor of Nomadesk, and I'm also an active investor of Nomadesk. Nomadesk is my day-to-day business. I want to thank Odoo for having us on the conference, and I want to thank Google for sponsoring the Startup Village at the Odoo conference. We want to give the cloud back to you. We want to actually simplify data autonomy by allowing you to install in a simple way a comprehensive cloud file sharing solution with out-of-the-box functionality for your end users, or with integration options for any platform that you like. To do that, actually the Nomadesk concept is pretty straightforward. We've created this unique file vault concept. File vaults, they act like a traditional drive, if I may say so. A drive where you put files on, and a drive that is actually also the basis to give access to other users or other groups, but everything is entirely cloud-based. Our file vaults are entirely secure, be it locally encrypted on the way to the server or on the server. You get to create an unlimited number of file vaults. Depending on how you want to organize and structure your files. They are very easy to use. They are drag and drop simple. They offer full transparency in terms of what is stored, how data is manipulated, etc. And it's 100% controlled by you, because you can install our technology on your backend. You may also use our technology. Nomadesk also has an own data center using exactly the same technology. In the end, we want to give the cloud back to you. We don't really believe in this like super global clouds. We don't have very much trust in that. We rather believe in locally managed clouds, and that's why we have built this great technology, giving to people who want that full control over their data, where it is, who accesses it, when and how. When you install Nomadesk, and I'm sorry, let me actually move my head a little bit. Yeah, sorry. When you install Nomadesk, you get out-of-the-box functionality. Nomadesk comes with an easy-to-use client software. Nomadesk has a great mobile app. Nomadesk has a web interface. When you put files onto a Nomadesk vault, here on this screenshot, you can see my setup, where I have a number of vaults to share marketing data with my teams, sales information with the sales team, information with the investor team. Everything that you put on it is nicely synchronized to the cloud, and from there accessible to others that have access to your vaults. However, this solution is also, and let me go to the next slide, this solution is also designed to be integrated. If you are an Odoo integrator and you are being confronted with a lot of data that needs to be uploaded to Odoo, you may also decide to store this into Nomadesk file vaults, giving transparent access to individuals and to organizations, showing them exactly what you are storing for them. File vaults that you have either on our premises or on your premises. At Nomadesk, we are also working on a number of standard integrations that you can activate with your private vault instances, integrations with popular accounting platforms, CRM platforms. We already have an integration with Build-A-Box, for instance, and so much more. In the end, the answer to where is my data is, it's in your vault. It's there safe, it's secure, it's accessible, and I am managing the backend. You can call me when something goes wrong. We're targeting with Nomadesk, with our Nomadesk digital file vault concept, we're targeting customers that require an extra level of data security, because they want to, in fact, they want to customize Nomadesk with that. They want more control over the data. They want to also have control in terms of performance. I mean, if it's not working fast enough, you can simply add more resources because it's your own private cloud. They need to comply with regulatory, and Nomadesk is very accessible, not in the least when it comes to cost. Having your private cloud with a specific vendor gives you much more flexibility when it comes to negotiating over the cost. The private cloud market is booming. That is simply a fact. Over the past 6 years, this market has grown 6 times in size. We have this great cloud file sharing solution that you can install on your private cloud infrastructure, and the forecast is that it will only grow exponentially. Deploy Nomadesk on your preferred platform. If you are familiar with GCP, then once you get our software, installing it is something that is done within minutes. It's just a matter of provisioning, making sure that you have just enough resources available, supporting the number of users or the application that you want to support. But I think you will not be surprised that we also deploy on a number of other platforms, including old-fashioned bare metal servers. If you still have a rack with good servers in it, don't throw it away. They can serve. They can actually be ideal to have a Nomadesk private cloud on it. All you need to get started is, and I'm sorry, my hat is again in the way. All you need to get started is a license key to get your appliance running. Of course, you need our software, you deploy it on your infrastructure, but right at the beginning of the process, you will have to fill in your license key. That license key will actually allow your appliance to deploy and to work properly up to a certain number of users that we have agreed on. Contact me if you want to know pricing. You will be surprised. It's very acceptable, very reasonable pricing that we have. Now, if you want to try our technology, and I'm actually very proud on that technology, there's actually over 150 man-years of positive evolution in it. It's really state-of-the-art containerized. It's a state-of-the-art containerized architecture. For those of you who are familiar with Kubernetes, that is actually the underlying architecture. We offer free license keys now with an unlimited number of users included. It will run for at least up to a month, giving you enough time to actually explore what it really is, how it works, how you could integrate it with existing solutions or in your workflow. We do offer also, included with that free license key, you also get an amount of free consultancy. It's just a matter of booking an appointment with us and to get you going. And I'm sure you will be convinced. Just send me an email. So again, I want to thank Odoo for having us on the conference, and again thank Google for sponsoring the Startup Village. I wish you all the best, and thank you very much.